Hey, what's going on, traders and investors? Thanks for checking out this video. My name is Travis from Master the Market, and in this one we're going to be talking about paper trading. We're going to break down some of the pros and cons of paper trading, and I'm going to show you how you can get started paper trading with $100,000 in virtual money, so that way you can start practicing with your trading or investing without risking any of your own money. And first and foremost, that's exactly what paper trading is going to allow you to do. It's a simulated type of trading, allowing traders to practice with live market data and with zero risk. So if we break down the pros and cons, obviously the one big pro here is going to be that it is risk-free. You're not using any of your own money when you're doing this paper trading. It's all 100% fake money, and it can honestly be kind of thought of as a video game. You can start to practice these different strategies, and that is going to be another pro. It's a great way to practice, and it's a great way to find out what strategy works for you. When you get started trading, you may be watching different YouTube videos, you may be taking an online course or learning from someone that already knows what they're doing. And when doing that, you may see that there are tons of different strategies that you can use. You can maybe look to buy the dip, you can look to buy breakouts, you can look to buy when a stock is oversold. You can use moving averages, you can use the VWAP, and so on and so forth. And there are tons of different resources and tools to find these strategies. But at the end of the day, what you're going to want to do is narrow down these strategies to maybe one or two that work best for you, because everybody has their own preferences and everybody has their own skill set. And at the end of the day, what you're going to do is overcomplicate your trading if you're trying to do all of these different things. So by paper trading, it's going to allow you to practice and find out what strategy works for you without actually risking any of your own money. And when it comes to cons of paper trading, the one big con is that it can be very deceiving. It's very common that traders will start paper trading. They'll turn, maybe for example, $100,000 in virtual money into $200,000 in virtual money. And then they get surprised when they're not able to see those same results with their live trading. The reason that this happens so commonly with paper trading is because trading in general is going to have a lot to do with psychology. Believe it or not, psychology plays a huge role in all types of trading and investing. Things like greed, fear, and panic can have a huge effect on the way that we trade. And because we're using virtual money when we're doing this paper trading, those things are not going to come into play as much, and they're not going to affect the way that we buy and sell the same way that they do when we're doing our live trading with real money at risk. Okay, so with all of that being said, I do believe that paper trading can be very useful, again, to find out what strategy works best for you, but it's really only going to benefit you if you do your best to think of it as being real money. Try not to think of it as paper trading, and try to treat these fake dollars as if they were real dollars, so that way you're able to see how much psychology can really play into trading. And by doing that, you'll be able to start to understand how you can keep your emotions in control, which is a crucial part of successful trading. Now, there are tons of different softwares that you can use to do paper trading. Many of them, unfortunately, are going to cost you money to actually practice. So I wanted to mention this feature that we have built into the Market Master group. This is a 100% free feature, along with our free trading chat. Both of those are going to be linked down below in the description, so you can come chat with us, and you can also use this paper trading bot here in the chat to actually start practice trading with $100,000 in virtual money. And all you have to do in order to use this paper trading bot is come over to our paper trading channel. And let's say, for example, you see a stock here in the morning movers that interests you. Maybe you saw that CCNC, for example, was gapping up this morning, and you decide that you want to buy into that gap up. What you could do is type /, which is going to bring up the commands. And if you type in buy, you'll see a command here to actually buy for any symbol. We would type in now our symbol CCNC. And then we have to put in the quantity of shares that we want to buy. Let's just go ahead and put in 1,000 for this example. Hit enter. It's going to ask us if we want to use a market order or a limit order. We'll just stick for market to keep this simple. Hit confirm. And now we've bought 1,000 shares of CCNC. So just like that, we're already doing some practice trading. And if we wanted to actually keep track of that position, then we could type in /portfolio. And we would then select the username for the portfolio that we want to see. I'll select mine, hit enter. And it's going to show us our portfolio, which is currently made up of just CCNC. You can see that currently we have a total of one holding with 1,000 shares, and that is of course because we just have this one position in CCNC. But we can obviously add to this portfolio. We can start building up these day trades, swing trades, or even investments if we want to. And whenever we want to see how these stocks are performing, we would just type back in the portfolio command here in the paper trading channel, and it would give us updated information on our positions. Okay, so then if we wanted to sell out of this position, we would simply type in /sell. We would type in the symbol CCNC, 1,000 shares. And again, we'll stick with a market order here. And we have successfully now sold out of our CCNC position. We can of course verify that by again typing in portfolio and adding in our username to see that now we have 0 positions within our portfolio. Okay, so I highly recommend you do some type of paper trading if you are getting started with day trading, swing trading, even long-term investing, because again, it is a great way to practice trading and you're not risking any of your own money. So if you want to come chat with us and the team over in the trading chat, this is a brand new Discord. We have a ton of different features built into the system, and we're going to be doing a lot of cool things here in the Market Master group. So I recommend you come chat with us and use the paper trading bot, so that way you can practice and prepare yourself to trade profitably once you start trading with your own money. All right, but anyway, thank you for checking out this video. I hope you found it useful, and I hope to see you in chat. But good luck with your trading, and I'll see you in the next video.